The key to saving money is sticking to at least a few rules and reducing unnecessary consumption of goods in general. By controlling your spending, you can build a financial cushion that will give you financial confidence in life. By adopting a few money-saving tips, you can be able to achieve your financial goals and enjoy a more secure future by yourself or with your family. What's the goal of saving? The reasons for saving money can vary. We can separate them into two types. One is internal, resulting from beliefs, dreams, and goals. And two, external, resulting from temporary life expenses and covering upcoming financial obligations. While the internal need to save varies and not everyone has it, external situations in life that are often beyond their control require action and spending. Thus, it can be said that saving is in everyone's best interest. Let's look at saving as a financial cushion. In its essence, a financial cushion is a secured amount of saved money that can cover the necessities of life in a situation where needed. Its purpose is also to help your financial situation in the event of a crisis or a job loss. Here are some basic rules of a financial cushion. The money accumulated within the financial cushion should not be spent when there is no need for it. The money stored within the financial cushion should not be held in the form of floating assets. You have to be sure that the valuation of your financial cushion is knowable and stable. They also shouldn't be held in a liquid asset such as real estate or art. Selling those assets takes time, and if you need money right now, there would be a high probability that you will sell them at lower prices. Here is a 6-step process that can help you to save more money. Number 1, determine precisely what your goals are. This will help change old habits into new ones and guide you to achieve the set results. Number 2, create a household budget. If you're single, look into your spending habits. If not, review your finances with your partner. Even if this is general, you will see where your budget needs improvement and what point is its biggest weakness. Number 3, expenses aside, analysing your budget should carry real consequences. It usually comes down to cutting expenses. Number 4, paying off debts. Unnecessary credit card interest or other obligations that you can cover now, do it. They will generate unnecessary costs and stress. Number 5, help yourself and plan everything. You don't have to remember everything. You can use banking apps and programs that will make payments or transfers to a savings account happen automatically, saving you time and reducing your risk of forgetting. Number 6, diversify your sources of income. If you have extra time at your disposal, it is certainly worth looking around for an additional source of money. Saving accounts are fundamentals. But saving money does not guarantee that the value of your money will be maintained over several years, or even more so, decades. Remember that financial education is key and should be part of the process of saving money. Make sure you've subscribed to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.